Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you in this video that you can make online earn money. Online earn money, student fees earn money to $1,000 to $5,000 per day. Get paid from $10 to $50 from filling work anywhere from PC, laptop or mobile and Android phone. Guys, how to make money online pickup, freelancer, work online, test, website and apps, pickup, tax on Amazon, mechanical trucks. Service for money, make money from your blog, us and see your all awares and get advising. Online and money, that YouTube channel become on Instagram, freelancing computer online service. It sound too good to be told, but you can earn extract cash by completing service online and telling and training. So guys, and 25 ways to make money online, offline and at home. Make money with a site and learn how long it will take to show you incoming money or all of the product and in Amazon. Our option are here is a list of practical work on Amazon. When to make money but you are not sure the sure, don't worry, will be good our cover it, and you were not alone. Some 60% for our sales performance that against previous month or to help them make extra money, and the 64% swap less than 20 hours drawing, best job drawing according in incoming will begin US whole thing. 2021 report releasing in the May 2022 by the boards of government of the freelancing receive system. I hope you like my videos, so request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Many thanks to all everyone. See you in next video. In the next video will also be about all your online and money. So all thank you very much.